shed packed with wood. Should be good shape. Hopefully get some snow. Okay, it's November. Some date, I don't know what day it is. Saturday. Got the sawdust wagon to fix up. Got the boss's truck to fix. He's got an oil leak underneath there. Your pumpkin cover's leaking. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a hydraulic cylinder off the splitter too. Big firewood machine. Nice to leave that on there so you can spun that off there with something to hold the shaft, hold the whole thing, but you got that option no more. Howie somehow almost got his thumb taken off splitting wood with this thing. I don't know how he done that. Okay, we got a new project here. Got a little engine hoist or cherry picker or universal lift or whatever you want to call the thing. One-arm bandit. Well, we got this from Yeah. He's one of the caster characters in our whole world of things. And he hooked me up with this, told me about it, and I told him I wanted to get one. He said, I got one. Give it to me. Price is right. It's free. It's all there. We're going to update this to air operated anyhow. It's been laying out back at his place. You don't use it. It's always in the way. But it's got good bones. It's all there. Even got the hook on it. I took that off before I'd give it away. Got jack handle too. Missing a couple wheels, which we knew that ahead of time. Got extendable legs. We'll maybe fix that up with a bolt where you can clamp them on there or something maybe. Kind of like right there. But maybe we ain't gonna be able to get it apart. But this will definitely have to be longer to reach out here further. But that'll work okay. Been working on our cherry picker, or universal lift, or whatever you want to call it. Added some oil to this. Seems to work nice now. Got all parts to it. Then get some new bolts. It's all loose down there. We're gonna take it apart and paint it anyhow, make it look like it's brand new. Tell everybody we spent big money on something brand new. When really we got it for nothing. Somebody gave it to us because they felt sorry for us. Okay. We got our cherry picker lift all tore apart here. Went to where Smith got some wheels for it. Got them molded on. Got the bolts all ready to roll. Gotta get some new bolts for my secret supplier tomorrow. Got some new hooks. Bought them with my own money. Okay, we've been working on our little universal crane, cherry picker, whatever you want to call it. So we got our little picker that we got from Yeah all fixed up. Had to put a little O-ring in here to keep that from leaking. Maybe we didn't fix that, I don't know. But that pumps right up, no problem. Works too good to replace, actually. Oh yeah. And then we got this electric hoist. It's a budget, 1/4 ton. We got that hooked up to a permanent magnet. Plate lifter. So we'll use that to load the little table when the plates are too big to handle by hand. Because like a piece of 4x4 quarter, I can't operate with that. So hopefully we can load this with some sort of control. It's a pretty rinky-dink setup, but hey. This, yeah, I donated to the channel. This I bought for 40 bucks at a garage sale. That I actually bought brand new from Ching Chang in China. It's CE approved, man. That's European Union. It's got to be good stuff to be CE approved. That might have cost maybe almost 200 bucks, but pretty kick-ass. Okay, we're working on this sawdust wagon. Looks a lot like a silage wagon, but it ain't. It's for sawdust. Forestry related shit. No farming videos around this place. We don't do that shit here. So anyhow, on this sawdust wagon, this apron chain had bad bearings here. That was the easy side to get out. Of course, this side, it's got bad bearings. It's up in there somewhere. I don't know where it's at. Speed changer don't work too. We'll have to tear that into that, see why that don't move. That'd be nice to change the apron speed. But there's a sprocket here that runs that conveyor. And of course, I think there's a roll pin in there. And apparently nobody was smart enough to take this thing out and drive the roll pin out of the shaft, I'm assuming, and they welded it, sprocket right to the shaft. So I ended up getting the conveyor chain all the way out. Had to cut that shaft down there in two to get it out. Had to weld up a bunch of crap here. It's all falling apart. Okay, we got the new drive shaft made. There's the old one. I'd take that out in multiple pieces. Hopefully this is somewhat close. Use the chain to get the sprocket dimensions. Got the sprocket fixed up. Had to cut that off because that was welded on the shaft. Must be the roll pin broke and they couldn't figure out how to fix that. And we got all our parts cleaned up to put new bearings in. Got all new bearings, flanges, new chain, master link for the chain. We'll have to try to get that put back together during daylight hours. Gotta get the mower cleaned off too. Clean the deck off, put that away for winter. We're done mowing lawn till spring. I'm gonna try to get the chain back in this thing and get this thing the hell out of here today. Gets dark too quick. I only work on it. Oh, son of a bitch. Only can work on it during friggin' Saturday and Sunday. Floor's a little bit rotten, but whatever. Alright, been working on this. Got the new shaft in there. New bearings. New bearings on this end. All nice and new. Got the conveyor chain back in it. Got the conveyor chain back in it. Ran it around a little bit. Broke the conveyor chain. The chain's pretty ratty to start with. It's pretty rusty. Better now than when it's full of friggin' sawdust. You gotta get a chain. We'll put a chain in there. Ooh, look at that wrench. Jeremy left a wrench here. And then this is the apron speed changer. Something seized up here. Just don't change speeds. I'll have to look into that. Alright, we resealed that cylinder. Didn't get no video of that. Had some help down here today, so we got pushed on getting stuff done and forgot to take videos. Oh well. Okay, here's the seal kit we took out of there. Just a basic seal kit. There's piston wheel wear rings, That's the seal that seals the rod from outside. That baby was wore right down. There's the dirt scraper, rod scraper, whatever you want to call it. This one was all rotted out. I forget where this one went. Pretty bad shape. Finished goods put away. It's got to be a Multitek kit. Only they would put something stupid like that on there. Fit up perfect though. Whatever. Cut out some timberjack donkeys on a plasma cutter, just for fun. There's another one. Yeehaw.